Hi you guys, my name is Megan and I'm going to teach you how to do a very sexy, voluminous ponytail using movable hairspray. Start off by sectioning the front part of your hair. So you will take this and give it some volume and tease it up. Spray a little bit of the Moveable Hold hairspray. And then what you'll do is you'll put this into a pony of its own. And just keep running your fingers through the top to keep it messy. You don't want it to be too smooth. And then you will take the bottom half of your hair and put that into a separate ponytail. And then make sure both of the ponies are very secure, so just tighten them. And then you're going to tie them together and it's going to make your ponytail very voluminous and larger than normal. And once you have your hair tie in, wrapping both of them, just take a piece of hair and wrap it around to hide all of the three ponytails. And you can go in with the Moveable hairspray. I'm also going to add some shine drops to my ponytail just to add a little bit extra shine. And there you are, you have your sexy, voluminous ponytail.